Let's test how much you know about health. True or false? Weight loss is 80% food and 20% exercise. Answer. False. It doesn't take into account sleep, stress, and mindset, and they play a very big role. Number 2. Sleep more helps you lose weight. Answer. True. A study published in the Journal of Obesity shows that people who sleep less than 7 hours have more weight. Number 3. Your brain stops growing new cells after birth. Answer. False. This is what used to be believed, but in 2013 we learned that the brain can grow new cells, especially when you exercise and you do prolonged fasting. 4. Being thin means that you are healthy. False. You can be under muscle. That is as bad to your health as being overweight. But also you're not taking into account mental health. That is a big aspect of your well-being. And number 5. Fruit juice is a healthy low sugar option. Answer. False. It's made of natural ingredients, but it's still very high in sugar. How many of these did you get right? Let me know in the comments. If you want to learn more about your body and about health, to be at your best state, come with me to the Health and Body Summit. 3 days, the top experts in the world coming together to teach you everything you need to know. It's free, and all you need to do is to sign up below. I see you there.